this out.
What up, everybody? Unlicensed assassin. Dun-dun-dun. Brack with another one. Brack with another one. TEMU, Tikaka, Tihasha, whoever. Got another one. I think this is my 4th or 5th, maybe 6th. I don't know. Whatever. So, got another package from TEMU, whatever. Let's get into it. I don't want to waste your time. I know time is precious, and so is mine. So, let's go. I had to open the package because I got to see if there's any crazies in there, right? You know what I mean? I don't want to, you know what I mean, have to knuckle up with the package in front of y'all and knock something over or something. and then honestly, it's just to make sure everything was in the package, right? I don't want any surprises. And yeah, so I think everything was there. I ordered 8 things. I paid $8. Let's go. Professional digital tabletop scale. I think that was like $3. Had to get me another pouch because that was like $3. Found this light on there for like $5. Got it. I have the black one. Got it on Amazon for $20. I forgot what this one is. Oh, wow. This little orange push button knife, assisted push button knife for $1. No, it was like $3. This little screwdriver, multi-tool. It's got the bits in the hole. It's got the bits and all the little ins and outs. This is a Gerber knockoff, the MP600. Yeah, multi-tool. We'll get into that. You already know. Some more. These are zip ties that I use as lanyard things for my knives and flashlights and whatever, but got them in black and then assorted. So 20 black, and then this came with 5, so I got 25 black and then 5 red, 5 neon, 5 yellow, 5 blue, 5 purple. Yeah, always recycle. And that's everything in the package. If you saw my address, please don't come and rob me. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. And you already know they deserve their own little unboxing. Okay, I'm not gonna do you like that. These are pretty much already unboxed. Okay. So yeah, but they are zipper pulls. That's what they're under if you want to search them for yourself. I've already seen a couple of YouTubers following my footsteps, but I mean, they're inexpensive. I think I got this for $2 and the assorted one for $1 and some change. I actually got the assorted one for cheaper than I got the all black one. Go figure. But I mean, as you can see, no, that's not a good example. There's an example. There's an example. Flashlight. Yeah, there's an example of one on with a flashlight. And there's not a good example because that one don't have one. But my little itty bitties, they just have carabiner clips and not lanyards. So, but yeah, I just toss them on wherever I can. They're small, so they don't take up a lot of space. Because we know how we are with our space. Our EDC guys with the space. We need space. Okay, so as usual, all of these items are going to try to get in here. It's not a lot. I don't anticipate. Oh, I was going to show you the black version of that flashlight. Like I said, I do own it already, and I threw some, so I'm going to have to modify that and put some magnets on it, as I did with the other one, but it has a magnetic bottom. I just wanted some on the back side, so I'll do that as well. And now I have one black and white. And we'll see how it fits in the pack out. I don't anticipate it fitting. This, I shouldn't have got it, but I did get it. But it's a knockoff. It's a clone of the Gerber MP600. And the reason I said I shouldn't have got it is because I don't like multi-tools that you can only utilize with the sheath. I need a pocket clip, like a knife, so I can put it in my pocket. Just not slide it on my sheath or put the sheath on my belt. I don't like that around my belt like that. So I'm not a police officer, so I never got used to having things on my belt like that. Yeah, so if I put it in a pack out, then I should be fine. But I just, yeah. So the sheath will be obsolete. I'll toss it in the pack out. Should fit. This should fit as well. I think all three of these things will fit. The only thing that I'm concerned about is the flashlight. I might have to put a smaller light in there. We'll see. Don't know. But yeah, TEMU. And here's your other zipper pulls. Love the neon. Black ones are gonna get you, but I love that neon. The red is too red, and then you got orange, magenta, and fire red. It's a bright red. I need maroon, so I did not get maroon in this one. And I might just, so this is the one I got off of Amazon. I think I got 100 or something for $6. So I think I'm going to 3, 4. Got one more black. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Of course, I can't find it now. There it is. Always recycle. But now I have a bunch of black ones. And some colored ones. Okay. That's a lot of knives and flashlights and whatever too. Whew. My goodness. Okay, we'll get to all of that when we get to it. I've wasted enough of your time. Professional digital tabletop scale. $3, $5 at the most. This is the Maxpedition knockoff. I got it in black, so I decided to get it in army green. This one came with a patch for some reason. It's the exact same, but I digress. Mini portable flashlight. I showed you the black. You can actually see the black one on the packaging right there. But now I got it in white. This is a little knife assisted push button in orange. Little screwdriver thing, multi-tool. It's got 4 bits, 2 Phillips, 2 flatheads, bottle opener, carabiner, multi-tool, MP600. Yeah, Gerber knockoff. All these are clones. So yeah, we'll get into it. Thank you for watching the tool haul. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know my motto, I can't make you do nothing, but I appreciate you when you do. Unlicensed assassin. Deuces.